know you've been working hard, recording, editing, and uploading your videos, and you down to the final stages, and you want to add some captions to your YouTube video, but you're not trying to spend any extra money, nor are you trying to waste unnecessary time tapping in every word that you said manually. Trust me, you don't want to do that. Well, I got some good news. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add captions or subtitles to your YouTube videos quick, easy, and for free. That's right, free. Let's go. What's good? I'm Be Real, and hopefully if you're watching this video, you've had a chance to get your video down to the final stages where you only want to add some captions to it to make that thing pop. You feel me? Now I have to let you know though that you cannot do this on a mobile device. You have to have some type of computer to do this process. So if you already got your computer ready and set up, then follow along with me. Now first you want to find the video that you want to add captions to. I'm gonna pick this one. Now once you do it, you'll go over here and see these three dots. You click those and you'll see an option, show transcript. Click that and you'll see numbers initially. But once you click this three dots here, the drop down menu, toggle timestamps, click that. Now you just copy all your words. Now make sure you only get your words. So once you copy that, then go over to your YouTube studio and find the same video that you just copied the transcript for. Once you get in here, you click that, and then you go over to subtitles, and you'll see three options you have over here. You have upload file, auto sync, and type manual. You simply want to click on auto sync, and then paste your words. Now as you just saw, they automatically popped up, and now I have captions on my video. Now I want to be honest with you. This will only give you about 85% accuracy. So if you don't care about making sure your video have correct captions to what you're saying, you can simply click done, let your hands off, and you finish. But if you do want to make your video look a little more aesthetically pleasing and professional, then I would strongly recommend just go through here and spend time proofreading as well as doing any punctuation or capitalizations that may be needed. That will help you save a lot of time, but you're also able to get your video up there free. If you gained any value from this video, would you like, comment, subscribe, and even leave down in the comments below what type of videos you make and want captions for, because I'm the type that really likes supporting other content creators, especially if I can rock with your stuff. Now, if you're looking for a channel on YouTube that can help you boost your content creation, then I have to tell you about Think Media. Think Media is a wonderful channel that got quality content about all sorts of things, from helping you get your studio set up all the way down to giving you helpful advice to make sure that your channel actually grows. They care about your growth, and it's all for free. Like, you can't beat that. But if you are serious about trying to take your YouTube career from a hobby to more of a full-time thing, then they have a paid program called Video Ranking Academy. I'm gonna leave a link to the description below, and from there you can actually check it out, see for yourself if it's a good fit for you or not. But believe me, no pressure at all, because even if you don't sign up for it, you can still gain so much value just from watching any of their free videos. So what you waiting for? Go create some content. Much blessings for your success.